Do scientists finally have something less than depressing to say about global warming? Hello all, Crystal Dilworth here with DNews, and an interesting development in our attempt to understand climate change. The Earth's temperature is rising, and the process of this change is complicated to say the least. Greenhouse gases are building up in our atmosphere, but global air temperatures have stopped rising proportionally with these gases. So where's the heat going? Because of the water's incredible ability to absorb energy before changing temperature, specific heat capacity? Anyone? Anyone? Anyway, our oceans can act as an insulator, absorbing heat and buffering the planet. Now, it's true that the temperature at the top of the ocean is warming and expanding, but it's not doing so fast enough to explain the slower growth in air temperatures. So could the deep waters and unknown abyss at the bottom of the ocean be taking up the slack? To assay how much the rise in our sea levels and air temperatures was due to the warming and expansion of the deepest ocean waters, scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory combined data taken from space with measurements made on Earth. Ocean surface topography data from the JASON satellites, as well as satellite data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment, were combined with direct measurements of ocean temperatures. Now, it's really hard to measure ocean temperature at great depths, so researchers used data taken from an army of floating temperature probes jointly called the Argo Array that have been providing information about surface temperatures of our ocean since 2005. From the total amount of sea level rise, researchers subtracted the amount of rise from the expansion in the upper ocean and the amount of rise that came from added meltwater. The remainder represented the amount of sea level rise caused by warming in the deep ocean. But the remainder was essentially zero. Apparently, warming in the top half of the ocean is continuing unabated, but deep ocean warming was not contributing to the temperature change. At least not during the years of 2005 to 2013. So what does this mean? Well, for now, it means deep-sea creatures are not yet feeling the heat from global climate change, but it also means that scientists will have to look elsewhere for their missing energy. We've got Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Vine. Come find us and let us know what you think. You can also find me on Twitter at PollyCrystalHD.